Hello everybody. Today we are going to start what is mail merge. Before starting the content, you must be remember which the topic covered we at last time. Last time we already covered what is how we create a table in writer, how we merge the cell, how we will write a data table format. All these contents we already covered. Today we are going to start our new topic, mail merge. Often you need to send the same information to several persons. For example, you want to send a letter to several conditions to be called for interview. Obviously, the address on interview time will be different for different candidates. At the same time, in other content will be same. One way is to create a letter in usual way. All this paragraph is very important, but I just want to tell you why we are using mail merge. In mail merge, suppose you have a birthday party at your home and you want to send the cards to your friends. Your friends' name, address and contact numbers are different, but the card is same. How we can send same card to multiple people? By post, by mail. But in writer, we can write a single letter and add a multiple and make a multiple copy of it with adding name, address and contact number of different people. For it, we must be create a data source. What is mean by data source? See, creating the data source. A data source is a set of mailing address in form of rows and columns, generally called database. Underline this line. The content of database is in form of data records. Right. OpenOffice Writer support the database in many forms. They are spreadsheet, text file and database such as MySQL, AWS and ODBC. But in this session, we are going to use only text database. So, creating a text file for the data source. How we can create a text file? Any editor can be used to create a text file. We will use gedit text editor available with our operating system. If in your computer, laptop or desktop, there will be installed Linux operating system, then there will be gedit text editor. But if in your laptop or system, there will be Windows operating system, there will be Notepad. You know very well how Notepad we will be create. Simple, just minimize, right click, new. See, the text document is here. Address. Suppose you want to add name. Name may be first name, F_name, comma, L_name, first name, last name, area, city and phone number. Then first name suppose Sri, last name suppose Pathak, area will be Bestan, city will be Surat. We will separate each and every field with the comma. Except comma, there will be not any other character we will be insert. Phone number 63. Suppose you want to serial number, you can also add serial_number. Serial number 1, serial number 2, Here I am creating a simple file which name is address. Now I will put this file in one folder. Right click, new folder. Folder name will be address 1. I will put this file into this folder. Now I will create a new writer document. Right click, new, see, open office, text. This is a writer, letter. We will create a letter. If you want to create an increased font size, I am increasing the font size 2. Now here we always write name, address, contact number. Subject, inviting you for birthday party. Now, dear friend, here that friend's name. I will like to invite you on 10th October 20 at 5:30 p.m. for my birthday party. Please come with your younger brother or sister. Thanking you. This is my simple letter. Now I want to add that name which I was create in that notepad file. I will insert that name in this file. To inserting that name, we must be register that database with our letter. Go to file menu. See, all steps are given in this textbook. See, creating a text data. See how to create a text data. They are already given here. They are giving seat number, first name, middle name, surname, address 1, address 2, city, pin code, time. We just take simple first 4 field. After creating it, how register data source. Now we are going to see register data source. For data source to directly accessible within writer document, it must be first be registered. The process is to be done only once. After that, the data source is available to all document. Now see how we can register data source. First we register it, then we set the testing it. See, all these steps now we are going to follow. Click next. So now we will go to our document, go to file menu, wizards, address data source. Select on it. See, simple steps, they are same given. I want to explain you with this textbook connection, textbook date content. You must be know. File, wizards, address data source. Now just click on other external data source because we are taking a data from external, from another file. File, wizard, address data source, click on external data source. Click on next button. Go to setting. Type is text. Because we are creating file in Notepad or gedit, that data type is called text data type. Click on next button. Where did that file is available? Select that folder. If you remember, I put that folder on desktop. It is a address 1. Did you remember it? See, that folder is here. Address 1. Are you getting it? Did we selected address 1? Click on OK. Address 1 is come here. Then go to text connection. Text connection established successfully. Next. Finish. Go to next. Finish it. Now you are able to see here file. See how. Go to view menu. Click on data source. See, our data source name is address 1. Double click on address. All that content will be come here. Now you want Dhansri name here. Just click first name and drag it here. Enter. But last name is also with it. Last name. Click it. Then area. Click it. Area. Area will immediately after. Then comma. Take a city. Now name also come again here. First name. Then go to file menu, go to print option. Yes.